Great viewers, you're welcome to Sir Pedro physics class. So let's look at this question on half-life. This question is on half-life. A radioactive substance of mass 768 grams has a half-life of 3 years. After how many years does this substance leave only 6 grams on decay? So this type of question for theory section, we're going to use a weighting method for it. Then for if you are asking a multiple choice question and you come across this, I'm going to teach you a method you can use when you are treating multiple choice questions. Okay, so just listen, make sure you watch to the end, it's very important. Thank you. Solution. So the first thing is to write down the formula, record the formula, which is n is equals to n naught exponential minus lambda t. Right. This n is equals to substance left undecayed. So that is equals to what? 6. So 6 was left undecayed. Then this n naught means what? Initial substance. Initial substance. And they say it's equals to what? 768 grams. Okay? Alright. So we're given a time t from the formula is what? Time taken to decay. Time taken to decay. Then this t 1 over 2 is one that represents half-life, which is equals to what? 3 years. All right, from the question. Then this lambda is called decay constant, and is equals to 0.693 all over half-life. Okay, so from here, half-life 0.693, half-life is 3 years. You have 3 years, so you divide. You have 0.2 into 9, you have 3 into 3, you have 1. So per second. So this is what the decay constant. So what you do next is to substitute these parameters into this equation. So in place of n, you put what? 6. In place of n naught, you put 768. 768 exponential minus, in place of lambda, you put 0.231 t. Okay. So we form an expression. So this expression now, quickly, you have 6 divided by 768 is equals to exponential minus 0.231 t. Okay. So what you do next is we'll pick up your calculator and solve. Okay, pick up the calculator. So we have 6 divided by 768. We have 0.0078125 equals to exponential minus 0.231 t. All right. So this place now, we're having an exponential here. What do? Take logarithm of both sides. Take log of both sides. That's natural log of both sides. Take logarithm of base e of both sides. Natural log because of this exponential. You take log to base e. Okay? So once you do that, we now have from this place, we have everyone lane means it as log to base e, lane of 0.078125. Okay, then this exponential, we have a lane e raised to the power of minus 0.231 t. So this will go up with this. Okay, then we look for this, the log to base e of this. So you say, press your calculator quickly, say lane 0.0 0.078125. Okay, we have minus 4.852030264, okay, equals to minus 0.231 t. Right, so quickly, so we are saying this one here now. So what we have now will be t is equals to minus 4.852030264 divided by minus 0.231. Okay, so which will quickly give us divide by 0.231. Okay, so we have 21. So this will be 21 years. So it will take 21 years for this to what? To decay. 21 years for this to decay. All right, so everyone. Now let's go for the second method. Method 2. Method 2, everyone. This is a very easy one, right? So we're told that n is 6 and n naught is 7, 6, 8. Okay, then we're told that half-life is 3 years. All right, so let's find out the number of time it will take this thing to decay. So the first thing you do is going to be first, call it first, 768 divided by 2. Let's get it. 768 divided by 2, we have 384. Then second, 384 divided by 2, we have divided by 2, 192. So the next is third, the third one, 192 divided by 2. Divide by 2, we have 96. So we are moving. The fourth one, 96 divided by 2. 96 divided by 2, we have 48. Okay, so we go again. The fifth, 48 divided by 2, we have what? For 24. All right, we are moving. The sixth will be what? 24 divided by 2, we have what? 12. Okay, all right, 12. And then the seventh one will be what? 12 divided by 2. We'll get what? 6 grams. So this is the last. This is where it decayed up to. From 768 decayed up to what? To 6. So now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So time taken to decay is 7 times half-life. Half-life is 3 years, which is 21 years. So you can compare it, 21 years, 21 years. So this is for multiple choice. If you are working on multiple choice, quickly you get your value. But if you are working with a theory question, you can deal with what? This is what you will use in solving for it. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more details. God bless you. Wonderful viewers, let's go through this. It's a given that x over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals to r squared. Make y the subject of the expression. Right, so let's share the board into 2. Solution. X over x squared plus y squared over b squared equals to r squared. So we are asked to make y the subject. Let y stand on its own. So what you do is what? To take every other term or letter to the right hand side. So we start, take x over a square to right hand side. So have y square over b square equals to r square minus x over a square. So this is the first step. Take everything to the right hand side, leaving this. So the next thing you see, put your eye on y. So you have to remove b square. So you remove b square, say multiply both sides by b square. So when you use b square to multiply this place, b square will be eliminated. You multiply here also. So have y square equal to, because the b square will eliminate the b square. Have b square into r square minus x over a square. Alright, so the first step. So if you still look here, you find out that this is y square and we're asked to find y. We're asked to find y. So what we do is to take the square root of both sides. But before then, let's simplify this. Y square equals to b square. When you simplify this, the LCM here is a square. So a square times r will have a square r square minus a square is 1. So I have x. Alright, so we have simplified this. So what you do next is take square root of both sides. The reason is what? To remove this square here, you have to take square root of both sides. So let's go this way. Right, when we take square root of both sides, we have that square root of y square is equal to the square root of b square into a square r square minus x, okay, all over a square, right? So we move this, we cancel this, we have y equal to. Now if you check here, this one is on its own, b square. So take the square root of b square, we have b into square root of a square r square minus x, okay? Now if you look, take the square root of a square, we have what? A. The square root of b square gives you b. The square root of a square, because this multiplication, this division, all right? So square root can work on them, but it cannot work on this because of this minus, all right? This double term having a difference, all right? So but you can take the square root of this, which is b, the square root of this down one, which is what? A. We are left with what? This square root. So this is the final answer, all right? If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Great viewers, let's simplify this fraction problem. It's a very easy one. Just follow me. Solution. 2 whole number 2/3 times 1 whole number 1/2 divided by 4 whole number 4/5. So the first step here is to change them to a single line fraction. So you have 2 whole number 2/3 times 1 whole number 1/2. So this division will change to this 4 whole number 4/5. So you change this to this. Okay. So this one, the next is what? To convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, we have 8/3 times 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3/2 divided by 4 times 5, 20 plus 4, 24/5. Okay, first step. So the next one is to change this one to multiplication. So you have 8/3 times 3/2 times. So when you change this to times, the number goes up. So you have 5/24. So you flip it up. Okay. So at this moment you cancel. So you have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. You have 2 here, 1. 2 into 8, you have 4. 4 here, 1. 4 into 24, you have 6. So therefore, our value is going to be equal to 5/6. It's a very easy one. Stay tuned to our channel for more. Everyone, let's go through this. It says in the diagram above, PQR is a circle, center 0. If angle QPR is S degree, find angle QRP. QRP. So we're looking for this place. QPR is S degree. QPR S degree. So looking at this, you have to recall your circle theorem that states that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Okay? So quickly you just go like this. Angle PQR is equals to 90 degrees. Reason? Angle on a semicircle. Angle on a semicircle is 90 degrees. So if here is 90 degrees, now here is X. So to get this place is going to be very easy. So quickly, therefore, angle PQR plus QPR, let me use like this, right, plus QRP is equals to 180, sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so this one I will quickly be, this is 90 degrees, this is what, X degree, and this is what we're looking for, equals to 180. So quickly, we now have that QRP angle is equals to 180 minus 90 degree minus X degree, which is simply 90 degree minus X. That is the 90 degree minus X. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You're welcome back to Sir Pedro math class. Today we'll be dealing with rational exponents. We want to learn how to simplify rational exponents. So come with me. Let's go through it. So we have 3 questions here. I'm going to treat question 1 and 3, while you will work on number 2 using the knowledge you gain from 1 and 3 to simplify the number 2 for us. So let's go. So let's do this. So solution number 1. So this k raised to the power of 3 over 2 times k raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 divided by k 1 over 4 times k raised to the power of 3 over 4. So quickly, you have same base, multiplication of the same base, you add the exponents. So k will be 3 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2. So you add the powers. So divide by k, same thing here. We have 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Same base, multiplication. So we have the next will be, let's simplify the exponents. This one will be, LCM here is 2, 3 minus 1. Okay. Then this one, k, the LCM is what? 4. So I have 1 plus 3. Alright, because same number. Okay. So quickly, we go this way. This one will give us k. 3 minus will give us 2 over 2. And here will give us k. 4 over 4. Alright. So quickly, we have k raised to the power of 1 all over k raised to the power of what? 1. Alright. So you can cancel out, or you quickly just go like this. K 1 minus 1. Because of division, you apply law of indices. 1 minus 1. So which will give you k raised to the power of 0, which implies what? 1. Alright. Thank you very much. So let's go for this third one. Let's check this third one. Third one is going to be number 3. Okay. The question is x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 3, and z all over 16, x raised to the power of minus 6, y, z, 5. Alright. So quickly, what you do is to separate the terms. So you have here the constant term is 1 over 16 times, the next term is x, so x4 over x minus 6. The next term is y, so I have y3 over y. Right, the last one is times z over z5. So you have separated the terms. So you work on them applying the rational exponent property. So here remains 1 over 16. So here you apply it, will give you x 4 minus 6. So division, you minus the exponent. Division, you minus the exponent. So here you have the next is what? Y 3 minus what? 1. For y raised to the power of, nothing here means that y is raised to the power of what? 1. So which means z will be what? 1 minus what? 5, because this is power 1. Power 1. Alright. So the next steps is to simplify further. So 1 over 16. Here is x. 4 minus is plus. So 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Then this is y raised to the power of what? 3. And this is z minus what? 4. 1 minus 5 is what? 4. So quickly we go. So this one is 1 over 16. X to 10. Y 3. So this one, I apply the exponent law that says that when you have the law that says when you have a minus n is going to be 1 all over a n. Right? So the law now will now be 1 all over z4. So quickly you simplify it, it will give you x power 10, y power 3 all over 16 z power 4. So this one is now the simplification. Alright? So if you like the video, please do well to follow us. And when you've done that, test your knowledge with this number 2 and let's see your feedback. Simplify this. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Wonderful viewers, you're welcome back to class. So let's check this exponential equation. Right? So when you see such questions and the power is a variable, you know some of you will be confused, but it's a very easy one. So when you see such question where the bases are not the same, So what you do is to take log reading of any base and solve it. But it's practicable to use what? Log reading to base E. That's what we call the natural log reading. It's more practicable to use that. Okay? So let's see solution. So quickly you say 7 raised to the power of x equals to 12. That is a question. So what you do is to take log base E of both sides. Alright? So when we've done that, it'll give you ln 7 raised to the power of x equals to ln 12. So ln is anything as log to base E, right? So a short form of it. So let's go quickly. So this one we go here, have x ln 7 equals to ln 12. From the law of log reading, the power goes to the back. So quickly we have that x is equals to ln 12 over ln 7. So quickly you can simplify it out, or you just quickly take your calculator and get your answer. You just say ln 12 divided by ln 7. Alright, you have what? 1.2770 approximately. Alright, so if you are using table, you look for the natural log reading of 12 and the natural log reading of 7, then divide it, you get 1.2770. Alright, so let's go. Number 2 quickly. 2x minus 1 equals to 4x plus 2. So what you do here is we'll take log to base E of both sides. The same procedure. So here you have ln 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 equals to ln 4x plus 2. Alright, so the next thing is to apply the law of log reading. This power will go to the back. 2x minus 1 ln 3 equals to, put it in bracket, then have x plus 2 ln 4. Alright, so we're moving. So the next step of what we'll do is to open up this bracket. So we have 2x ln 3 minus ln 3 equals to ln 4, or x ln 4 plus 2 ln 4. Alright, so we've done it. So the next thing is to arrange the terms, like terms. So I have 2x ln 3 minus x ln 4 equal to 2 ln 4 plus ln 3. Alright, so we've arranged this. So the next one you do is to factor out the x. So you have x into 2 ln 3 minus ln what? 4 equal to, here will be what? 2 ln 4 plus ln 3. Alright, so we progress. So here will now be x is equal to 2 ln 4 plus ln 3 divided by 2 ln 3 minus ln 4. So we have arranged it. So we already know the value of x now. So let's simplify this to get a particular value for x. Alright? So here what you do now next is to apply the law of log reading again here to give you ln 4 squared power. This one becomes power, right? Plus ln 3 all over, this one will be what? Ln 3 squared minus ln 4. Alright, so let me use here so that the board will be enough. Equal to, so here now, this addition, to change it to the multiplication following the product exponent, right, of a property of what? Log reading. So let's have now, we have ln 4 squared is what? 16. So I have 16 times what? 3. Alright, here we have what? 9. So I have ln full bracket 9 divided by what? 4. The minus is what? Division. Plus is what? Multiplication. So quickly, we'll have 16 times 3, we'll have lane 48 divided by this one. 9 divided by 4, we'll have 2, right? The next is remainder 1, we'll have 2, we'll have 5. Okay, right? So you can test it with your calculator. 9 divided by 4, say 2.25. So the next thing you do, use your calculator, look for lane what? Lane 48. We'll have this. So quickly just go it once. Lane 48 divided by lane 2.25. So you have 4.774 approximately as the value of your x. Right? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. God bless you. If you have not followed us, do well to follow us. Thank you.